Hello, everyone. I'm Kelly, and if I became the new Colombian president, I would implement different strategies, especially in the education system. First of all, our teachers will be trained in order to use and promote technology. What is more, improve their English skills. We will give them a better payment. Therefore, the students' education will improve regarding their needs and their contents. I would continue to implement and strengthen the Ser Pilo Paga and SENA program, increasing the benefits for those students who make an effort and stand out during their last school year. On the other hand, the military and the police will be trained in a cooperative way to strengthen the ability of a quick reaction. Besides, they will get a better salary too. Additionally, in order to be promoted, they will need to take some courses, and these courses must be finished satisfactorily. Finally, the time to receive the subsidy will be reduced to 5 years instead of 14 years. Well, these are my proposals, and I hope if you like them, you can support me. Bye bye.